Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you what I prepared for my husband on Father's Day. So let's get started. So this is the red snapper, good red snapper that I seasoned with black pepper and some easy spice fish seasoning. You also see the potato that I cut up and put into this bowl. Right here is the shrimp that I seasoned with garlic, scallion, and onion and some powder seasoning as well. I did all of this prep from the night before, so that's why when I got up Sunday morning, I just cooked. So I didn't show you the details. So this is what I made for drinks on Father's Day. It's pumpkin drinks. Okay, so here you see I have the pumpkin that is already boiled and it's in the blender, my ground cinnamon powder, my vanilla, and my condensed milk. So I'm basically just gonna blend this out, add all of the ingredients, the cinnamon powder, the vanilla, and the condensed milk. And then this is what it looks like. It looks so good and it tasted even better, okay? I love this drink jug that I'm pouring it into. It's like one of my favorite drink jugs. So whenever I want to do something, extra special for Trevor, he loves pumpkin drinks, so I always go to that recipe for him. So in this next clip, this is the finished product of the brown stew fish, the garlic shrimp, my sweet corn on the cob, my mixed vegetables that consist of broccoli, cauliflower, and some carrots, my mashed potato, and the famous pumpkin drink. It was a fantastic meal and we loved it. So thank you guys so much for watching my channel again and have a great one. Bye.